Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Google Chrome is not opening on Windows 11. And for this, first of all, we do Ctrl-Alt-Delete and go to Task Manager. And then from here, we need to delete every single task from Google. So search for Google, click on this and then do End Task. So now also for this one, End Task. And right now the tasks are gone. Then we click this away. And then the next step is search here for Chrome. Right mouse click on Chrome and do Open File Location. Click on it again with your right mouse and then do Open File Location again. Then right now you need to give the Chrome name, like here, rename this and give it an extra letter or number, what you like. And then click here so it got saved. Then right now we click this away, and right now if I go to Google Chrome, we can open Google Chrome again. When it still is not working, click this away, then go to Start, Settings, then click on Apps, go to Installed Apps and search here for your Google Chrome. So we click now here on Search Apps, search for Chrome, and then right now you will see it just right here. Click on the three dots and click on Uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome. This is what you do to fix your Google Chrome is not opening on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.